Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at what the finished section, or looking at one of the finished sections of the St. Thomas Highway or the Southern Coastal Highway. Now we are out by the Sun Coast Adventure Park, and the road you're looking at was actually the main road. The two lanes, the main road that was two lanes. But under the highway project, the 2 lanes were upgraded to 4 lanes, and this is what it looks like when, well, it's not 100% finished, but on the left you can see the paved road, and on the right of the barricade you can see the 2 additional lanes that they are working on. So this highway, it runs from Harborview to Port Antonio. It's called the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So it's going to run through the parishes of St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Portland. Now, from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, the road is going to look like what you see there. It's going to incorporate the existing road. So the 2 lanes are going to become 4 lanes. Then from 11 miles to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, the road is going to go over the hill and a new lane built. And then from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the main road is going to be upgraded to from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So that is where we are now, the section between the Sun Coast Adventure Park and Albion Heights. And then from Albion Heights, the road will take a new alignment and go over the hill again, and then comes out by Grandspen, and then from Grandspen to the Yallus Bridge, the road will run along the existing roadway and it will be 4 lanes. Now, the highway is being built in sections, so we're looking at is section 1A, or it's a part of section 1A. And when the highway goes from the Yallus Bridge towards Port Antonio, some lanes will be just 2 lanes, and some sections will be just 2 lanes, and some sections will be 4 lanes. But between Harborview and the Yallus Bridge, this is what the highway is going to look like. So this will give you an excellent idea of what this highway will look like. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Hope you enjoy the drone footage. Alright guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.